Hey guys, so I bought this power builder, PQY. It's an off-brand off of Amazon because BR doesn't make these anymore. Initially I thought this one didn't work, so I bought another one from boxm2motorsports.com, I believe it is. I still think this one would have worked. My problem was the wiring on this 1993 Nissan hard body pickup truck. It's got the KA24E in it. All the wiring diagrams I found had me hooking the wires up to the wrong places, so the rev limiter wasn't working right. It was essentially acting like this yellow gain knob was the only one that worked. I've now got the Rev 1 and Rev 2 to work just by, finding the right wires, and surprisingly, ChatGPT is how I fixed this thing. I'm fucking surprised, to be honest with you. I ignored my messy ass truck, but let me get something to point here with. So on the ECU, if it looks like this, there is 7 pins right here. This first pin, number 1, is going to go to your green wire coming out of the rev limiter box. I'll show you that. I've actually got it right here. This is the one I got off of boxm2 motorsports. It does have a green wire coming out of it, and it goes to number 1. The yellow wire goes to pin number 2 right here on the top. So number 1 and 2. That's the only 2 wires you really got to hook anything up to. I do have my hot and ground wire hooked up to the ECU. I'm not sure if I can actually show you where it's hooked up, but I'll put a link to the diagram in the description of this video. That's just hot and ground. You can even wire that up. You can wire ground to like this bolt over here and run your hot wire just to anything that's constantly hot all the time, or hot with the ignition switched on. That's the best way to do it. But yeah, now I've actually got this thing working right, and I'll start the truck up just to kind of show you. I can't rev it up too loud because it's 10 o'clock at night here and I've got neighbors. Messy ass garage, messy ass truck, but I do a lot in here. See, now I've got this switch wired up to my box, so actually that's with it off. I don't know why that stays on, but it doesn't hurt anything. When you turn it on, it goes off until I've got this on 0, which is 2,500 RPMs. So as I rev it up, you'll see this light start. Hear that? So the damn thing's working. The more you turn this to the right, the more popping it's going to do. It's going to get louder, even better. So yeah, I couldn't find any videos directly pointing out my ECU for this 93, but I hope this helps someone.